Imagine arriving alone in a foreign country with only $500 in your pocket, living in a YMCA room, washing dishes for $1.20 an hour. Now imagine that same person one day owning an NFL team, a Premier League football club, and building a $143 billion global empire. This isn't a movie plot. This is the real story of Shahid Khan, one of the greatest immigrant success stories in American history. Shahid Khan was born in Lahore, Pakistan in 1950. His family wasn't wealthy, but they valued education. At age 16, Khan left everything behind to chase opportunity in America. He arrived in 1967 as a broke engineering student at the University of Illinois. Penniless and alone, he found cheap lodging at a YMCA, just $2 a night. To survive, his first job was washing dishes in a restaurant, making $1.20 an hour. He would later say, "That job taught me that no work is beneath you. Only giving up is." As a student, Khan stood out. He was hardworking, ambitious, and obsessed with car design. After graduating with an engineering degree, he worked at an auto parts company, but his mind was set on building something of his own. He saw a huge opportunity. Most bumpers on American cars were poorly designed and expensive. Khan believed he could engineer something better, safer, and cheaper. So he took out a small loan and founded Flex Engate. This tiny startup would change his life forever. Khan introduced a revolutionary one-piece truck bumper, a product so efficient and cost-effective that major automakers rushed to adopt it. Then came the deal that skyrocketed him. Toyota chose Flex Engate as its exclusive bumper supplier. From that moment on, orders exploded. Factories expanded globally. Flex Engate grew from a small shop into a multinational powerhouse supplying nearly every major automaker in the world. Today, Flex Engate generates over $30 billion per year, employs more than 29,000 people, and drives the core of what is now a more than $143 billion empire. In 2011, Khan made history. He purchased the Jacksonville Jaguars for $770 million, becoming the first minority owner of an NFL franchise. Fans were stunned. How did a former dishwasher come to own an NFL team? But to Khan, this wasn't luck. It was the next chapter of the American dream. He invested heavily in the team, modernized facilities, and became one of the league's most respected owners. Whether the Jaguars win or lose, one thing is certain: they are now backed by one of the sharpest business minds on the planet. Not satisfied with dominating American sports, Khan set his sights on Europe. In 2013, he acquired Fulham FC, one of England's oldest football clubs. He poured money into rebuilding the squad and upgrading Craven Cottage, adding a stunning new riverside stand. Khan's ownership turned Fulham into a modern, competitive, and financially stable club. He didn't stop there. He even attempted to buy Wembley Stadium for nearly $1 billion. This man thinks big. So how does someone go from washing dishes to owning global sports teams to controlling a corporation worth over $143 billion? Shahid Khan lives by three principles. Never forget where you came from. He kept his YMCA membership card for decades. See opportunity where others see risk. His one-piece bumper disrupted an entire industry. Bet on yourself relentlessly. Every major leap in his life began with courage, not certainty. His journey is proof that the American dream is still alive. If you're willing to sacrifice, innovate, and never stop pushing. Shahid Khan's story is a reminder that your beginnings do not define your destiny. From $500 and a YMCA room to NFL and Premier League ownership, to one of the most powerful business empires in the world. He built it all. If this story inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, what part of Shahid Khan's journey motivates you the most?